Gusto ko po Kenny na mag-stay. Kaya kung mayari, pwede po din ang talang lugar.
Thank you so much.
Padusog pong bagya, tantapotin lang lugar detang kiyang tamay ganda. Padusog po, tungali matakpan lang po rin yung mag-perform. Kayo rin. Again, our Mahiganga number 2 is Barangay San Bartolome, Boss A, Boss R, Boss R. Okay na ba yung music ba? Hello? Okay.
Sayaw kita. Sayaw kita. Sayaw kita.
Thank you, Barangay San Bartolome.
Ako ay isang model sa ermita, gabi-gabi sa liso. This number 5. A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita, all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see.
But the ripples on
Then you know mo rin kigulog niyo, ha? Hindi ako na lugar. Di kayo kaya mag-MC. Isa kayo. Isa kayo. Di na nyo nagyaman lugar. Di na nyo purugong lugar ding Mahiganga. Or else, matakpan lang po rin mag-perform.
RJ Centro.
Get ready for the bass,
Buhay po kayo. Habang magpupuelo po ng Barangay San Jose, ang shoutout daw po sa SK Federation of the Municipality of Santa Ana, headed by SK President Honorable Edwin Joe Nicolas. Good evening po. And of course, to all the sangguniang kabataan chairman and chairwoman po ng Municipality of Santa Ana, Maya Pabeni po. Once again, let us all welcome Maiganga number 5, SVM.
Alam mo kung ba't di ka pumasenso? Hindi ka tamad. Kupal ka kasi. Baka kupal ka.
Thank you, number 5. Barangay San Juan, Mari Gaga.
Kini ka ngarap ko. Kini ka ngarap ko.
Thank you so much, My Ganga number 6 from Barangay San Juan. Once again, let us have our participating My Ganga number 7, Team Yang Yang.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Let's go!
Salamat. Team Yang Yang, Barangay San Nicolas. Next we have
Once again, let us all welcome participating My Ganga number 8, Mr. Magman.
Activate dance mode countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Are you ready? Ready?
Are you talking to me? It's time to get busy.
Attention. Autobots, transform. Thank you for watching.
thank you.
Thank you so much.
Barangay San Pedro, Team Kalampang.
Three, two, one.
Thank you for the ice cream. So good. Wow, delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
This is a test of the emergency broadcast system.
Talking about that jump, talking about bag it up, dump it, bag it up, bag it up, dump it, bag it up, dump it. Panumpa ko na nakitang duhang mag-iulay sa atong aguma.
And with that, the 2024 season comes to an end. Good night.
DJ Nathan.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
West side.
Santa Ana, dito pa rin sa Pampanga. Buhay na buhay ang tradisyon ng mahiganga o giant puppets sa bayan ng Santa Ana, Pampanga. Sun shines on the mountains and the night is on the road. It's a new day, it's a new way, and the fire to the sun. I'm gonna knock on your door, ring on your bell, tap on your window too. If you don't come out tonight when the moon is bright, I'm gonna knock and ring and tap until you do.
Doblihin ang tayo'y mag-otso-tso. Otso-tso. Otso-tso.
Thank you, number 11.
Thank you so much.
Partner, nung ika mo magpaputita ang buhok, yan, tignan.
Wow, atin yung highlights. Yung highlights, hindi ka tamo nag-smile ka pa. Once again, let us all welcome our participating My Ganga number 12 from Barangay Santa Maria, STF.
Lumihit ka din ang pwesto. Sige, tandaan niyo. Thank you very
So
much.
much.
Next, we have our number 13. Ay, reta kong makaukyat king bakod. Baba po. Apo rin. Oh, ngayon, putod ko rin spotlight kita. Halata ng spotlight. O, naburiyo. Kasi naman, ngayon, nakisabi na kayo mang pumayag. Dinan yung lugar kaya na rin mahigangga. Ngayon po, gawin nyo, kaya kayo na yung aning stage. Ano, buriyo, kayo mag-perform. Kayo na po mag-perform. Ano po? Palitan ta na po. Di mahigagay lang manalden.
Welcome our participating My Ganga number 13, KJ.
Bossing! Kasama sa buhay-buhay!
Thank you, number 15, 13. So,
Thank you so much.
Barangay Santo Rosario, Team Hayam. Next. Basta sa buntok ni Panganan. Pwede yan mong pakikalabit ng Panganan? Daramdaman na ako ba? Kalabitan niya po itang anak ko. O tama nakbagyakiyatan. Partner.
Let's now have
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 puno ang ginawa.
thank you so much.
Barangay Santa Lucia. Number 16. Okay, once again, Barangay San Joaquin, RST.
Get ready, Barangay San Joaquin, Team RST.
Let's rock.
Come give me something I can feel. Me at the
Let's take it back to the old school.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, RST. Next, let us have Barangay San Isidro. And the number 17, East Coast.
Dito pa rin sa Pampanga. Sa laki ng mga ito, imposibleng hindi mapapansin ang mga mahihangga o mga giant puppet.
Activate dance mode countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you so much, East Coast.
Once again, Barangay San Joaquin, Cyborg. Friends, kaya ka ng visa. Kaya ka ng pwede ito.
This is a test of the emergency broadcast system.
You got sketches on? Get out my face,
Thank you so much. Main Cyborg. Joaquin. Next ay sa Barangay San Nicolas.
Barangay San Nicolas, JBS, number 19. Down to 2
Down to 2, participants na partner at magkakaalaman na.
Yes.
Amo. Wait. Hindi ako magulo.
watching.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Partner, we're now to our last Mahiganga.
Yes.
Nasa Barangay San Pablo.
SMG. Partner, our last performer.
Let us have our participating Mahiganga number 20, SMG.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. All fun with July on this open sea. Okay? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you all in your house. God bless your Happy Christmas with your Merry New Year. Let's go!
Basta kay DJ JR. Ano? Lingaw ka!
Thank you for the ice cream so good. Wow, delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream yummy.
Let's go!
Sayaw kitay, sayaw kitay. Sayaw kitay, sayaw kitay. Sayaw kitay, sayaw kitay.
Thank you so much. There you have it, partners.
Yes. And finally, tapos na yung ating mga top 20. Okay, bago tayo mag-showdown, judges, yung buriyaw pong aking malapitan, pwede yun ako pong lapitan. Bayo lang mag-showdown. Sige po, judges. Judges?
So partner, pwede din natin sigurong sabihin yung ating criteria for judging.
Okay, partner.
Paano ba ginajudge ang ating mga Mahigangas?
Nasaan yung criteria natin? Program to, partner.
Ma'am Joy?
Ma'am Danica, Ma'am Joy, yung criteria for judging. They will request the criteria for judging. Judges, pwede na ko pong lumapit ka nila. Judges, take your time. Partner, Ainen. Our criteria for judging.
So, para po sa kaalaman ng ating mga audiences, sinajudge po ng ating Mahiganga for their overall appearance and material use, partner.
Yes.
That comprise 5% po ng kanilang magiging score.
Okay,
So yung overall appearance, partner, ito yung paggamit ng recycled materials, eco-friendly materials, at yung artistic medium in making the Mahiganga.
Yes, partner. Giwagan ng playground in harap, partner.
Next po, meron din tayong 35% for the choreography and musicality. Yun yung kanilang pinerform nila nila yung kanilang impact, movements, dance techniques, and musicality. Next, we also have 20% for originality, quality of workmanship, and creativity. And of course, partner, meron din pong contribution ng ating mga audience kasi merong 10% audience impact. For a total of 100%.
Okay? So yun na pa ang ating criteria for judging. Okay? For the last time, ito na po ang showdown. The showdown of the top 20. Music!
Ay, nagpaglagay kayo po, tumituran kayo. Once again, our 20 participating Maigangas for our 12 Maiganga Festival.
Makulang kultura ni Mahigaga, sika natin balang tempe.
Kapaskuhan, terak-terak, lundag-lundag, kindaratang bayong banwa. Ame-ame, lakad-lakad, kindaran, di maglimutan. Sulong-sulong, kinakabang manlanda. Mahigang galing lapat pipi, mahigang galing maliit sa tahana. Mahigang ga, mahigang ga, mahigang ga, mahigang festival. Awe-awe, kinagawang mahigang ga. Tara-tara, mipikikik, karintaho, malihatwa. Ibang-ibang na iyay-lig, king masayang may kulina. Sa-so-so, kulyang-kulyang, kaya meting kanukulan. Mahigang galing lapat pipi, mahigang galing maliit sa tahana. Mahigang ga, mahigang ga, mahigang ga, mahigang festival. Mahigang galing lapat pipi, mahigang galing maliit sa tahana. Mahigang ga, mahigang ga, mahigang ga, mahigang festival.
Okay, thank you. Palakpakan tayo na naman po rin top 20 tamo. Okay, magdusog na ko kung magkakita. Hindi kaya pa akong space. Punta hanggang magkasat-kasat ko kaya punta mayari top 20. Sige, kaya kayo rin. Eh, wow. Muna.
Lalaki.
Okay. Para po karang kaya katamang tabulators, atin tamang po ang intermission number coming from.
Siyempre, para hindi naman mahirapan partner ng ating mga tabulators kasi siguradong sumakit ang ulo.
O tabituran kayo na, pakidusong, bagyan. Sige na, dusong na kayo.
Ito rin yung hyperdance mo, tama partner?
Ito rin yung hyper dance group. Hyper? Acho na lang.
Group! Mr. Michael Palagpa.
Palakpak. Pero ang stand na.
At piling ko para sabay-sabay
Oh.
lang sila ng partner.
Sige, sige.
Next, the same certificate of appreciation is given to Mr. Angelo T. Bandilio.
Yan mo na.
Kuya Mike?
Again, kakaibong salamat.
Once again, palagpakan naman po natin ang ating panel of judges for this 12th Maliganga Festival. Minor and special awards no partner.
Yes.
Let's have first our Hyundai Chi. Tama ba? Ano yan partner?
Our most punctual award is from Barangay San Agustin. Mayor Marvin Marvin Maliwan. To be awarded by Mr. Michael Padrillo, we have Kim Daichi.
Once again, our most punctual award, Hyundai Chi.
Please proceed to the stage. Go. Kim Daichi.
Next, we will now be awarding our SK Federation Choice.
Next, we have our most applauded Mahiganga. Dinurate po dyan simpaking Mahiganga. Barangay Sanigas.
Our most applauded Mariganga to be awarded by Ma'am Chi. And of course, our tourism officer, Madam Tani Naboyoso. Congratulations, Team Yap Yap!
Next, we have most resourceful. The most resourceful and festive Mahiganga Award is to be awarded by Michael Balagpa, Sir Michael Balagpa. Mahiganga Maker, Adrian Suma. We have Barangay San Agustin,
PMMAD.
RLMA. Top 3 tama.
Nanunanin.
First, second, and champion. Second, first, champion. Yung Artalo Paretang tayo, Mahigang Ganitos. Okay. Our champion for Mahigang Ganitos is Barangay San Nicolas, Janelle Suleiman. To be awarded by Ma'am Lani and our tourism officer. Janelle. And our champion for poster making Barangay San Isidro, Axel Venezuela. Any representative, yung kilala si Axel, para mapunta kay Axel to. To be awarded by our Chris Quilion, Casa Apo Family and Tourism Officer. Anyone from San Isidro? San Isidro, pakibiya kaya, magpa-picture tamo mo. San Isidro, Caracallo, ako bisang mukyan. San Isidro, o ako nakakanong San Isidro ko.
Congratulations, RP. Well deserved. The moment of truth, partner. Our second runner-up or our third placer, partner. Our second runner-up to be awarded by
Ma'am Ching Pangilinan.
and Sir Dane Nepomuceno.
Dane Nepomuceno. Okay. Our second placer.
Our second runner-up.
Okay. Second placer. Yes. Third placer. Second.
Runner-up.
Third placer. Barangay!
Garnering an average score of 44.25. Violence for 44.25. Congratulations!
Barangay San Joaquin!
Our second runner-up. Congratulations, Team Cyborg! Receiving plaque, a certificate, and a cash.
Certificate, a trophy, and a cash.
Hindi pala plaque, trophy pala yun, partner. Next, our first runner-up.
Wait. Okay, before we announce our first and our champion, okay? Ang pagkasunduan po, king meeting tamo, nilabasan, na ing mag-champion nini, no magtuloy-tuloy yan, 3 consecutive champion, 3 consecutive years, Barrio. He will be a Hall of Famer, okay? Papagpay naman tayo kay Barrio, okay? From this day, from this year, yan yung pong year, pasulong, pasulong. Pero nangyayang po yung next year, yung po tuloy-tuloy yung bilang, okay?
So, ibig sabihin, partner, para i-clarify lang natin, mag-start pa lang kayo taon.
Yes.
So, kung mananalo, for example, kunwari ganyan po yung barangay San Isidro, ganyan year. Tapos, San Isidro na naman the following week, tapos San Isidro naman, mag-Hall of Famer, ganyan. Ano yung makakapag-join?
Yes.
O, ito po
Ulit
tayo.
tayo rin pong pasalamatan ng Tres Quilion. Paano muna na pong Sir Stalin, Dairet. Dahil po kaya kayong kakita trophy, ila pong Mickey effort. Okay? Okay.
Okay, partner, our first runner-up. To be awarded by Sir Michael Panlilio and Sir Michael Balaghan.
Our first runner-up.
Receiving trophy, a certificate, and a cash. Congratulations!
Barangay! Barangay! San Nicolas!
You are our first runner-up team! Yup! Kindly an average score of partner of 45.25. 45.25. Once again, congratulations our first runner-up, Team Yang Yang of Barangay San Nicolas. Partner, yung ating first runner-up, ang kanyang score ay 45.25. Ang ating champion, ang kanyang score ay 45.43. So, ang pinaglabanan nila ay 0.18. 0.18 lang, partner. Bago natin i-award ang ating champion for this 12th Maynanda Festival, we would like to thank the following.
Likarugan ko. Okay.
The Organizing Committee Municipal of Santa Ana, Office of the Mayor headed by Honorable Norberto Chigambawa would like to thank the following. Office of the Vice Mayor, Honorable our champion for the 12th Maynanda Festival is
To be awarded by
to be awarded by
our panel of judges. Pioneer Committee. And Pioneer Committee. Okay. The moment you've been waiting for. Ano ang barangay?
Wala mo partner, init ko San Patricio.
Ano ang